What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to set the notification sound to silent in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on sounds and vibration. Now in sounds and vibration, click on notification sound, and from here you can set the notification sound to silent by selecting silent. So when you will select silent, it doesn't matter if your phone is on mute or sound, your notification will not make any sound. So that's how you can set the notification sound to silent in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.